welcome back to a new video. I thought I would do something different today. I thought it'd be fun to show how I host a summer lunch. I am not a great chef or baker. I like to keep things easy. So this is going to be how to make it look like you've made an effort without actually having many skills or having to buy a million ingredients. You know, when you look at recipes online, like a salad might require like a vinaigrette that has like 20 different ingredients, and I'm like, I cannot be bothered to be doing all of that. So this is all about shortcuts, but looking like you made an effort because you want to do that for your friends. And yeah, I'm gonna have my uni friends down, which is really exciting because they've not been to my new house yet, and we're having garden furniture delivered, which is really good timing because in England it is 30 degrees at the moment. It is absolutely boiling, so it'd be nice to eat outside. For the food, I'm going to do everything cold. I want cold lunch, cold pudding, cold drinks, because it's just too hot for anything hot. So yeah, I hope you enjoy this video, maybe get some ideas for hosting your own summer lunch. So we spent 5 hours this morning assembling all of the garden furniture, and we're really pleased with how it looks. And what was really convenient is our neighbour was like, oh, can we have all of your packaging? And I was like, sure. So we just had to hand it over the fence and made life really easy. So for my tablescaping, I am going to go around some charity shops and see if I can find any like glass things to put little flowers in. And then I think I'm just going to ask my gardener, because he's got this huge bush. I don't know what the plant is called, but loads of really pretty flowers, like, you know, hundreds of them. So I'm going to ask if I could have like 3 of them. And yeah, that's how I'll just, I'm going to keep the decorating very simple. I kind of love this tablecloth, but it's so small. I wish it was really big. Welcome to my baking show. I'm going to be making a burnt Basque cheesecake. I really recommend one of these books. You can basically, whenever you make a successful recipe, you can write all the ingredients and steps in it. And I used to make this all the time when I was pregnant. It's actually really simple. All you need is soft cheese, 4 eggs, vanilla extract, double cream, sugar, flour. The grams of double cream, put it in, and then it says to whisk it so it's a little bit thicker. Okay, now we've got the vanilla extract. I'm just gonna... So I've got a baking tin that's quite deep and some baking paper, and you want to scrumple it so that it is then goes in the bowl. I don't know what to say. It's 9 p.m. What's good about this pudding though is you make it the night before and then it sets in the fridge, and then because it's so hot in England, I think we want a cold pudding. Take a little bit of butter. Oh goodness, I feel like this is going to overflow. So I feel like it grows. Maybe I should make a mini one. No. Okay, we've got the flowers. They're so pretty. Looking nice, aren't they? And I don't know, just rip these off maybe. Do I want any green bits? Maybe I don't want green bits. Okay. Doesn't look great in this lighting, but that's quite cute. There's one mini one. One mini one. I think it adds something, doesn't it? Let's put a bit of water in there. Don't know if you can see it. Oh! Hold on, I'm sure it's going to shrink, because that always happens. And then when it's cool, I will put it in the fridge. I don't have any wardrobes yet, so don't judge for the rails. So I'm going to choose an outfit, and I've got this top recently. I do love that purple, but it might be too hot for that. This white linen skirt, it's quite summery, might wear that. I also got this linen buckley one, which is also from my stock, which I've stolen, so I could wear that. And then top wise, I've got this pretty lace situation where it's got like mother of pearl buttons. It could look. Got this top as well, it's quite bold. Again, I might get a bit hot in that. So this is an option as well. Do kind of want to try this, but I don't know what to wear that with. Okay, this is the outfit. This top is vintage new look. Oh, my mirror's dirty. And this is vintage H&M, and then the shoes are actually M&S. So that's the outfit. I was going to wear this hair scarf because I want to be like Katarina Krebs, but I put it on and got imposter syndrome, so I'm not going to do that. Salad bowls are from HomeSense. I think I'm just going to put the chicken Caesar salad in that. Chicken Caesar salad is literally the easiest thing to do because it already comes just done. You just put it in, add the chicken and some avocado, and it's done. So I saw on TikTok this recipe. Well, it's like a side dish, and it's just peaches, I think, parma ham, mozzarella, and basil. So I'm going to attempt to do that. I've got one of my bits here. Peaches, my cocktail sticks. Food is all prepped, so that's the burnt Basque cheesecake, and I'm going to just serve it with some of that on the side. So that's the pudding. Then these are sort of sharing plates. It's just tzatziki and sweet potato. Then that's some crisps and dips that I'll offer at the beginning. Chicken Caesar salads. I might add another avocado. These are weird things. What's that? Okay, this is how it's looking so far. I'm just going to make some drinks. We've got Aperol Spritz and we've got water and kombucha. That's the options. Got this from H&M Home. I love H&M Home. I got so hot in that purple top, so I've changed into this one. It's vintage. It doesn't actually have a brand name on it. I've had it for quite a long time. And yeah, same skirt, same shoes, but I think that this is a bit more summery as well. And it was just so hot in that purple top, I'm sweating already. So I've just got some hummus and some sweet chili hummus and some vegetable crisps. I'm just gonna decanter them. There we go, all done. So I've just made some Aperol Spritz. I think I've made them too strong. And this is like a fake version of Aperol, and it's only £7 instead of 15, and then just some Prosecco and soda water. And you can put orange slices in if you feel like being extra, but I couldn't be bothered. So yeah, I think they should arrive in the next 5 minutes.